Me father rises early and he makes a sup of tea. He lights the kitchen stove and then he calls me. His days are often empty, he's nothing much to do. So he sits and tells me stories of the travelling life he knew. In the evening they will meet in lonely country lanes. I feel the way you'd hear a collie bark, and they'd pass the time away. We'd talk about the day, standing round the campfire in the dark. Standing round the campfire in the dark. My mother likes the house, the hot water and the rooms. It's warm in the winter and she's handy with the broom. Sometimes she makes call cannon, more often riddle bread. There's a hunger deep inside her for her travelling life that's dead. In the evening she will lift the black pot from the coals. After 2 she always would remark, there'd be vessels left to clean, while children could be seen playing round the campfire in the dark. Playing round the campfire in the dark. We go down to the pool hall to chat up the town viewers. Sometimes at the disco we can't get past the doors. We're still tinkers to them and it's thrown at our ears. We're still the office strangers after all these years. And I think about my own life and the way it will be. An escort van, a bit of dealing, a wife and a family. Now Thursday I collect the dole, Friday pitch and toss. But on the side I think about the travellers' ways we've lost. And I wish that I could rise and watch the sleep out of these eyes, and listen to the sweet song of the lark. And I wish that I could be in that campfire company, with the sound of horses moving in the dark. With the sound of horses moving in the dark. With the sound of horses moving in the dark.